that existed in teacher numbers. We have hired 120,000 teachers, the single largest recruitment of teachers in Kenya in 3 years by any administration. That is a fact. It is the same recalibration that is underway in agriculture, where we have established a verified digital register of our 7.2 million farmers. By doing so, we have eliminated middlemen and dismantled cartels, ensuring that farmers directly benefit from government support and intervention, including access to subsidized fertilizer, boosting productivity, strengthening food security, and restoring fairness to the farming communities. It is the same spirit of transformation driving the MSME sector. Through targeted initiatives such as Nyota, we have brought over 121,000 young entrepreneurs into the structured business pipeline, equipping them not just to seek employment, but to create it. And some 800,000 Kenyans who were previously locked out of the main